Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are here for pre-market report for 22nd May. Let's see what's awaiting for us. Today, important point to aspect, that is note ban. Is it a note ban or currency withdrawal? That is 2000 rupees note withdrawal. It's still a confusion, but still it's a clarity from RBI that till 30th September, this note will be valid. You can get it exchanged. But so far, note ban has not been announced. So you don't have to get panic. So note is very much valid till 30th September. After 30th September, what will happen? We do not know. So you don't have to get panic. In terms of market sentiment, what exactly it happens? 2000 rupees note will be largely used by salaried or farmers. Will not be used, right? So farmers and salaried employees might not get affected. And coming back to the salary, the sentiment too, that is maybe get affected by the real estate and the rich people anyways, which has not infused that account. That money is a black money, it is not accounted in the deposit. That might also not impact immediately to the market. So on the sentiment 3, during next 120 days, these account, whatever they are going to put it into the account deposits or they are going to exchange, this might get into the accounts. This might boost the economy in upcoming days. So this is on a positive sentiment. We should take this as a positive scenario. So let us not take this as a negative. This, and once again, this is not a note ban. This is just a currency withdrawal. So let's be clear on this, whatever RBI has announced that. Okay. So and at most important, you don't have to get panicked. Market sentiment might get corrected and also it might move back in the positive direction. Let's see how exactly. But so far, this currency withdrawal might not impact too much to the market. And second is SBI, and there were so many asks on SBI. The SBI, though results are good, why exactly the market is falling? Yes, here what exactly we have to look for here is last year, the last quarter, 91,500 crore, they have done the revenue and the revenue has increased. Revenue is good, the quarter over quarter. But the interest expenses, 49,366 to 53,000, interest expense has increased. That's anyway, that's according to the revenue also increased. If we look after this scenario, expense also increased by 3,000 crore compared to the last year, that is last quarter. So financing profit, if we look after minus 14,000 to minus 15,000, that means even 1,000 crore has been increased expenses. That scenario overall has took as a negative sentiment by the market. That's why SBI reacted negative at an upfront situation. So this is impacting. If you look after the overall, yes, overall year over year, minus 63,000 to minus 47, almost 16,000 they have recovered. That is one positive. It should impact in upcoming days. And a positive, that price correction will happen in upcoming days in terms of going up. So on an overall profit after tax, definitely 37,000 to 57,000 crore, that is still there, that they have grown pat. But on a temporarily, this financing profit has been reduced from minus 14 to minus 15,000 crore. That impact is seen in the market. Since past 2 days, market is going negative because of this. So interest expenses and expenses have increased. That has led minus 15,334 crore. This is on the QOQ effect. That QOQ effect has shown in the market already past 2 days. That's the reason you all must be seeing market is going down. So on a long term, definitely it is going to take an action. This is what you have to make a note for the SBIN analysis. Now, let's get back to our daily day-to-day activities. What to look for the market? Global, we are seeing 5 as a positive negative and 3 only as negative. So that means ratio is 5:3. 5 is negative and 3 is positive. So what is the meaning? So that means SGX Nifty is negative, Dow Jones is negative, Nasdaq is negative, S&P 500 is negative, crude oil is negative. This might be negative, and the positive is Nikkei is 3.58, gold is positive, that is 667, and USD INR. So these things are positive. Who is having more strength here? Is negative having a more strength or positive is having a more strength? So in terms of negative, SGX Nifty anyway belongs to Nifty, and Dow Jones belongs to the global Nifty, also global index might influence to Nifty 50, and Nasdaq might not, and S&P 500 also might not. This crude oil belongs to this Asian Paints kind of a stocks. And when it comes to gold, gold is going up. So this will influence more. to the Nifty. This positive might impact the Nifty to go negative. But on a Nifty daily candle, it is formed up hammer. How exactly it behaves, let us see in the market. So on a global, it's a mixed performance now. So far, it is 5:3. Though 3 is positive, that is impacting Nifty to come down as well. So it might influence negative more. Let us see how exactly it will influence Nifty. And Nifty 50 has 18,203 in the Friday closure. And key resistance, what we are seeing at 18,380, key support at 18,026. Bank Nifty 43,969 was the closure, and 44,527 at the key resistance. Key support at 43,411. This is what we are seeing on the picture of Nifty today and Bank Nifty. 22nd May, no macroeconomic events till 26th. 26th only, that too forex reserves. And friends, remember, next week there is a big thing which is expected: government budget value, M3 money supply YoY, and GDP growth, fiscal year, infrastructure YoY. There are so many events are there in the next week. So next week all the things might impact, but this week it's going to be a clean move. What we are seeing as an interpretation, it might be seeing if there is any note ban effect or other effects might impact this week. Otherwise, note ban or currency withdrawal, nothing else much major impact from the macroeconomic event. So on a Nifty glimpse, Nifty, we are seeing it as a clear piercing pattern, kind of a piercing pattern. Last time also kind of a piercing pattern happened. Is it going to make a downtrend? Point number one. Or is it just a price action? It might take like this and meet this channel up and then cross this 19,000 level. We'll have to see. But whether will it go up or down, we'll have to see. But for sure, as a hammer, maybe temporary price action might expect. We can look after that. On a long term, we can see this is the scenario, or even today's analysis also. As per the hammer, it should take a slightly price action on the upward move. Let's see how exactly market will start. Previous day results, that is on Friday, JSW results and Power Grid. JSW result was outperformed quarter over quarter, but still year over year, still minus 80% growth, 80% degrowth has happened. So let's see how exactly market is going to behave with respect to that. So Power Grid, again, quarter on quarter they have grown, but year over year they have little degrown. Last year 16,824 and this year 15,417. So this has degrown by minus 8.36. So how exactly it behaves, let's see on the market today. So this week result summary: Sun Pharma, M&M and IRCTC, major stocks. What to expect from Sun Pharma? Sun Pharma, we are expecting at least, see, Sun Pharma, they have already met their number. Initially, they have taken the forecast of 4,303, which they have beaten up already. Even though if they made zero, they will be showing a positive growth compared to last year to this year. If they achieve at least in the range of 2,000 crore, definitely Sun Pharma might make a higher highs possibility. And M&M, what to expect? M&M to be achieved, that is 2,608 to be achieved. So as per this, if they see they have to achieve more than 2,994, because quarter on quarter has to improve. So forecast is 10,994. If they meet this 2,608, they will be meeting the forecast. But if they wanted to make both QOQ and YOY, then they have to beat this 2,994 number. That's what we should look after, or we should think of looking after. IRCTC, what to expect? 941 crore is the forecast. So far they have achieved 728 crore. So they are done. 213 crore. If they achieve 213 crore, they should be able to meet the last year's number and as well as forecast as well. So they have last year's number was 664. Anyway, they have already beaten this last year number. If they achieve this number, then it will be definitely 50% growth. And if they achieve this 256 crore and beyond, then they might be beating both QOQ and YOY, both as well. So that is the look around for IRCTC. Top stocks to watch for the day: JSW QOQ has recorded a growth and YOY has recorded a degrowth. Power Grid QOQ has recorded a growth and YOY has recorded a degrowth. Please careful on these positions. Sun Pharma results are expected on 26th. M&M results are expected on 26th. IRCTC results are expected on 29th. Please keep a watch on these stocks. Top stocks to watch for the day. Thank you so much. Don't forget to click on like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.